What if I told you that you could move to the UK without needing a job offer? It might sound a little unbelievable, but believe me, it is true. Today I want to share with you a really exciting and potentially life-changing opportunity that not a lot of people know about yet. It is the UK High Potential Individual Visa. So I recently got mine because of my degree at Harvard. The process was super easy, and so I wanted to share with you all my experience and also more about this visa because I know that people who are on this channel are generally high potential. And I thought that this might be useful information because, I mean, who knows? It might just change your life. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Sayaka and I'm a Harvard graduate ballerina turned entrepreneur and businesswoman. So first things first, what exactly is the High Potential Individual Visa? So the HPI Visa is a special type of visa introduced by the UK government aimed at attracting talented people from all around the world, specifically top graduates from one of the world's best universities. And so the idea is to bring in highly skilled and educated people to contribute to the UK's economy post-Brexit. One of the unique features of this visa is that it does not require you to have a job offer or a visa sponsorship before you apply, meaning you can move to the UK without securing employment first. So the focus is on your potential, not just your current job situation. And this is really a game changer. This is super helpful because a lot of jobs in the UK do not want to sponsor your visa. And it's really hard to even land an interview if you don't have that visa section ticked. But if you already have this visa, which will allow you to work and live in the UK, then the companies will be more likely to hire you and it will open up doors for you. So let's talk about who can apply. To be eligible for the HPI visa, you must have graduated within the last 5 years from a university that is ranked in the top 50 globally. So the list of eligible institutions is updated yearly, so it's really important that you check that before applying. So if you see here, this is the global universities list from the 2023 ranking, which is the most recent one up here as I am filming this video. But so you see here, you have American universities like Columbia, Cornell, Harvard is obviously there, go Crimson. There are even Japanese universities like Kyoto University. I'm pretty sure Tokyo University is there as well. Exactly. And yeah, you just have a lot of different universities from all over the world. But one thing you will see is that there are no UK universities. And that is because UK universities are not eligible. And I'm guessing this is because the point is to attract talented people from around the world and not people who are already in the UK. But if you are already in the UK on a student visa, you might be able to apply for a graduate visa. So there are ways. Anyway, there are also a couple of other things as well. So you have to have completed your degree within the last 5 years. As I said earlier, your university has to be on this eligible list. You also need to demonstrate a good level of English. So at least a B1 level, or if you have a degree qualification that was taught in English, like in my case at Harvard, then you can get that confirmed through ECTIS. Or if you are a nation of any one of these countries, then you don't need to worry about that. And you also need to show that you can support yourself financially without needing public funds. So you need a little bit of savings, which is really not that much. So why should you consider applying for the HPI visa? I think the benefits are pretty amazing, if you ask me. So firstly, this visa allows you to stay in the UK for 2 years or even 3 years if you hold a PhD. And during this time, you can live and work in most jobs. You can be self-employed or you can even start a business. It also gives you the freedom to explore different career opportunities, right? Like it gives you time to build a network and also experience UK culture without the pressure of immediately securing a job. And if you do find a job that you love, you can potentially switch to another visa, like the skilled worker visa, in order to extend your stay. So this visa can be used to get your foot in the door for securing longer settlement. And I'm pretty sure that for a lot of people living in different parts of the world who do have potential but just don't really know how to take that first step, this would be a life-changing opportunity. Alright, so regarding the application process, it is pretty straightforward, so I'll just go over it very quickly. So first thing you have to do is get your degree certified, so you have to send in your degree to something called ECTIS to confirm that your degree certification is actually legit and you're not actually lying about it, like Mike Ross did in Suits, pretending to go to Harvard. That's not really okay. So they kind of check that first. Once you get that verified as genuine letter, then you'll gather all your documents like passport, degree certification, proof of English, and bank statements to show financial stability. Then you're going to upload all of that to the UK government's official visa application website, fill out the online form, and then what you have to do is pay for the health surcharge. This is the part where my soul hurts. £2,070 for 2 years, plus pay the application fee, which is £822. And then once all of that is done, then you book an appointment at the nearest visa application center to take a photo, do biometrics, and give your passport. Once your application is submitted, it usually takes like, I think 2 to 3 weeks to get a decision. For me, I got a letter the next day telling me that my application is incomplete because the account statement that I sent in was in German. And they needed that document translated to English because they don't understand German. And so, but once I got that translated, I sent that again. I got my decision letter within 6 days stating that I got my visa approved. So super quick, actually. There are a couple of reasons why I decided to apply for this visa. First of all, I just thought, what's the worst thing that could happen? The worst thing that I could get is a no. And I think that mindset applies to everything in life. If you don't take a chance, you'll never know, right? And you'll always regret the fact that you never took a chance. So I just thought, you know what, let's try. It's the same thing with Harvard, by the way. People told me that a stupid dancer like me can't go to Harvard, and I just decided to apply anyways. What's the worst thing that could happen? Just get a no. Second, while I love living in Germany, everything here is, of course, in German because we are in Germany. This is not me complaining that I don't want to learn German. I actually do speak German at a business level, C1 to be precise, but every day as I go into all these business meetings, I can't shake this thought of, what if I could do all of this in English? I keep wondering if I could make better use of my potential in an English-speaking environment. And I think that when you have this inkling feeling like every day, like you're not fully maximizing your potential and abilities, it's a sign that you really need to change something. And so here I am. For me, this visa is more than just a piece of paper. It means so much to me because I have lived in some of the world's toughest conditions, like East Siberia, to war-torn regions like in Armenia, trying to find a home away from home. Growing up, I was denied public education because I was uneducated. People told me that a stupid dancer like me can never go to Harvard. But being granted this visa and labeled as high potential is something that I would have never imagined in my life. And to me, it signals that I have been doing the correct thing for the last 10 to 20 years. And now with a Japanese passport, I have a German permanent residency and this UK high potential individual visa. I feel like I can have the best of 3 worlds, and I'm pretty sure you can too. So yeah, I haven't moved to the UK yet, but I'm really excited about the possibilities ahead. I don't really have a plan. I'm not really sure how long I'll be staying there or whether I'll love the lifestyle, let's say, but at least I have the chance to find out, right? And if you recently graduated from a top university and are craving a new adventure, I strongly recommend you looking into this visa. Alright, that's it you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful and gave you a good overview of the high potential individual visa, because it would make me so happy if I could help any one of you watching this video change your life. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section down below. I will do my best to answer them. If you like this video today, you might like this video over here where I talk about how I balance my full-time ballerina career and my degree at Harvard University, and also the mindsets that helped me get through all of that. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye!